Hello, Bear Science followers. Today, we're diving into the bizarre UAP sightings along America's East Coast. The mysterious Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, a visitor from outside our solar system, and the scientific debates surrounding alien claims. So if you're ready, let's pull back the curtain on these enigmatic events. Over the past few days, strange lights have been spotted in the skies along America's East Coast, especially around New Jersey, sparking what can only be described as a UAP frenzy. In just 1 week, over 1,000 UFO or UAP reports have been filed. While many of these claims turned out to be false alarms, one mysterious object even got caught on live TV, captivating the entire nation. People are now debating whether these luminous objects are alien spacecraft or the latest high-tech drones. So, what really lies behind these sightings? In 2017, astronomers in Hawaii discovered a mysterious object distinguished by its reddish hues and unusual rocky appearance. Locally dubbed Oumuamua, meaning the first messenger from afar, astronomers calculated its orbit and found something astonishing. This object wasn't from our solar system at all, but originated from the galactic void beyond. Its trajectory and speed were completely different from typical solar system bodies. At first glance, it might resemble a comet or an asteroid, but its properties don't fit standard classifications. The object's unusual orbit and velocity suggest a non-natural origin, pushing scientists to reconsider the possibility of unknown celestial visitors. Some researchers, examining its chemical composition and light reflections, argue that Oumuamua could simply be a product of natural cosmic evolution. Others, including figures like Harvard's astrophysicist Avi Loeb, have even speculated that it might be man-made or linked to alien technology. Nevertheless, these claims remain highly controversial. Current data seem to indicate that Oumuamua could have formed through entirely natural processes. Yet, its discovery raises an important question. Is this truly the first visitor from beyond our solar system? And what does it tell us about the existence of other life forms or unknown cosmic phenomena? Scientists are keenly investigating how frequently interstellar objects like this pass through our solar system and what secrets they might reveal. In addition to these recent UAP sightings, conspiracy theorists claim that aliens have been visiting Earth for a long time. Some point to Pentagon-released videos and congressional hearings as evidence that these objects are of alien origin. On the other hand, detailed investigations indicate that many of these sightings may be linked to man-made drones. For instance, some of the objects reported near New Jersey appear to be professional-grade drones, while others are speculated to be part of secret operations, possibly even deployed from specially modified ships by nations like Iran. So, are we really on the brink of an alien invasion? Or is this just a case of modern technology creating a misleading illusion? In the scientific community, the belief that we are not alone in the universe is growing stronger. The discovery of thousands of exoplanets shows that many could possess the right conditions for life. The chemical evolution of these planets and the distribution of elements like carbon, which is the backbone of life on Earth, suggests that life might be an inherent part of the cosmic order. While figures such as Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb have speculated that some celestial objects might be man-made or even linked to alien technology, most scientists approach these claims with caution. The SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence program, is dedicated to capturing radio signals from potential intelligent civilizations. Using advanced radio telescopes, researchers analyze unusual signals from deep space. However, the data collected so far have been more consistent with natural cosmic phenomena than with definitive alien messages. Moreover, the Fermi paradox remains a central puzzle. If intelligent life is common in the universe, why haven't we found conclusive evidence yet? Scientists argue that the absence of evidence does not prove evidence of absence. In fact, SETI's decades-long efforts, along with thousands of scientific papers published each year, continue to refine our understanding of what life is and how it might emerge. These studies are systematically mapping out where in the universe we might detect signs of life. Ultimately, the debate over extraterrestrial life is driven by both the tantalizing probabilities and the hard scientific data available. Although the likelihood of life beyond Earth is supported by ongoing research and technological advances, we still lack definitive proof. This uncertainty fuels both our curiosity and the drive for more rigorous, objective data collection. In summary, the recent UAP sightings in the USA and the discovery of Oumuamua in 2017 demonstrate just how sensational these alien claims can be. However, from a scientific standpoint, the current evidence largely points to man-made drones and other technological phenomena. Media hype, mass hysteria, and exaggerated conspiracy theories often lead people to interpret every mysterious light as an alien craft. The inherent skepticism and rigorous data analysis in science remind us that without solid evidence, we should be cautious in drawing definitive conclusions. So, what do you think? Are aliens really among us, or is this just a misinterpretation of modern technology? Today, we explored the latest UAP sightings in the USA, the intriguing discovery of Oumuamua, and the scientific perspective on alien claims. What's your take on these events? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and take care.